Turck's new TBEN-S and TBEN-L RFID interfaces simplify the direct RFID integration of HF and UHF read-write heads in industrial applications. An example from the automotive industry. In continuous mode, the read-write heads independently run repetitive commands for all tags within its range. HF and UHF read-write heads can be connected to the same module. Integrated standard I/O allows direct connection of trigger and light signals. Here you can see a light screen which triggers the 4 read-write heads connected to the TBEN-L. It starts a multiplex mode that sequentially activates the read-write heads to ensure every tag is reached. Thanks to its IP67 protection, the whole RFID system can be integrated directly on the factory floor. Whether it's HF or UHF, TBEN-S and TBEN-L RFID simplify RFID system integration in your factory.